Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Like, subscribe. Today I'm reviewing my Nostalgia Coca-Cola 48-inch 2.5 ounces popcorn machine. I just want to give you my thoughts. This is my very first popcorn machine. I want to show you how it looks. And on the side it says Coca-Cola, delicious and refreshing. Then in the back, you can see it says, enjoy that refreshing new feeling. So it's a pretty nice machine. It has a small compartment here. That's the instruction manual. And the door has 2 screws. It has a magnet here. So this is the power switch. The machine comes with these scoops right here that you see. So I set it up next to my Christmas tree. I just want you to take a look. The Christmas tree is about 5 feet. And so you could check out how tall it is. So it's 48 inches. If you're used to use those microwave popcorns, you may want to stick with those. One of my issues that I had with this machine, it's really hard to clean up. Yeah, it gets all messy, and the doors and everything gets all messy, and the inside all greasy. And then you have to take this whole thing out. You have to wash it really carefully because it's kind of pain cleaning all that thing up. The reason I bought this machine is because I think it makes movie experience more special. And it gives that little bit of awesomeness to my movie nights. When you have friends come over, when you have family come over, you know, to watch a movie or watch a game or whatever, it makes it special. And you can create your own popcorn as your own style of popcorn. I'm going to show you guys how to make movie theater popcorn on my next video. Sorry about the ticking. This clock here. I highly recommend. And flower core. You could get this in Amazon. You could get this coconut oil. Gives the popcorn a nice flavor to it, and color. Gets that yellowish. I'll show you how this thing is in the inside. You can see it's like a yellowish. It's kind of hard. It's kind of like scooping out ice cream. But it really makes a huge difference. I love this stuff. And I also have pop glaze. This is to make sweet corn. This is awesome stuff right here. But one of my favorites, caramel popcorn. It's so easy to make caramel popcorn with this stuff. Guys, in the next video I'm going to show you how to make this caramel or glaze popcorn. So stay tuned, subscribe, and hit that like button. See you guys.